Hello, friends. I want to walk you through how to register your youth for the upcoming 2026-2027 school year for seminary registration. You will need to go to myseminary.churchofjesuschrist.org and log in with your church user account. Once you log in, you'll see this opening page with a list of the youth in your family available for seminary. You may see an 8th grader on here to register for seminary, and seminary is for 9th grade through 12th grade, so you do not need to register any youth that are too young to attend seminary. You'll notice here it will tell you if they are registered or if they are not registered. If you need to register a student, go click on their name and it will open up the registration process. You'll be able to see their information and notice that they are not registered, and it'll list their graduation year. He's currently enrolled in seminary, but not registered for the 2026-2027 school year. To begin registration, click the registration button, and it will open up their detailed information. You'll need to make sure that their graduation year is correct, as that will populate in our system and make sure that we have them listed as a freshman, a sophomore, junior, or senior in seminary. Once that is correct, you can click at the bottom, continue to location, or click location here. For location, you need to find the seminary that they will be attending and select it. If you do not find that seminary located on this list, you can go to the top here and search for that seminary, or ask your stake supervisor for some help, and they can help you to understand where to register your youth. Once you have that selected, once again, you can click at the bottom, continue to guardian contact. For guardian contact, you need to make sure that your contact information is up to date. There will be a primary contact and a secondary contact. Below, you'll find an email address that you can put in, a phone number, an address, as well as if you're willing to receive text and email communication. Once you finish filling out guardian contact, click participation policy. You'll need to read the basic seminary agreement and click that you have read that agreement. If your youth is interested in information about church schools, you can click this drop-down menu and request information about any of the BYUs or Ensign College. Once you do that, you'll need to also put in your email, the country that associated with that email and or their text number, and your phone number. Once you click submit, you can get an email with information about that church school, and they'll send that to you. That is also how you finish registration, is by clicking submit here. Once you've clicked submit and you can refresh your page, it should show as registered for the next year of seminary. Please let us know if you have any questions or have any additional help that's requested. We look forward to having your youth in seminary.